for this word problem, it's going to be important that we draw a picture to represent the situation so that we can see what's going on. So this one tells us that we have a rectangle. So let me get a rectangle drawn here for you. That has a base of 16 and a height of 12. So a base is 16 and the height is 12. The diagonal of the rectangle is drawn. So diagonal just connects corners, so whichever two corners you want to connect. And what are the angles formed by the diagonal? So it's important to remember in a rectangle that a rectangle has all right angles. And so now we just need to find these two angles. I'm going to call this one theta, and I'm going to call this one beta. And so I'm just going to start with theta. So I'm going to identify the sides based on this. So across from theta is the 12. So the 12 is the opposite. And then the 16 is next to it, which is the adjacent. So if we take a look at SOHCAHTOA to decide what function we're using here, the O and the A is a tangent function. So for this one, to find theta, we would do tangent of theta equals the opposite 12 over the adjacent 16. To solve for this, we can do the tan inverse to get this theta back out of the tangent function. So we'll do the tan inverse to both sides. Tan inverse and tangent cancel, so we get back theta. So theta equals the tan inverse of 12 over 16, which you would type in your calculator. So evaluate the tan inverse of 12 over 16 in your calculator. And you would get that theta equals 36.87 degrees to the nearest hundredth. So that's one of the angles formed. Then we wanted to also find this other angle beta. So remember that the total of a triangle is 180. So to get beta, we can just subtract the 90 and the 36 from 180. So we can do 180 minus 90 minus 36.87, and that will give us beta. So 180 minus 90 minus 36.87 gives us beta to be 53.13 to the nearest hundredth.